The MBA Future Business is the fastest way to complete an MBA. In 12 months, you will complete 12 topics, preparing you with the skills and knowledge to embrace leadership positions in your sector. With the MBA Future Business, you will have plenty of flexibility, which means that you can be on campus or online. An additional flexibility includes 3 study periods. You can start with us at any of those study periods without having to wait to begin your studies. We are here to accommodate to your needs, whether you want to study full-time or part-time. We are always available to customize the MBA. Also, industry is embedded throughout the entire course. You will have up to 26 weeks of industry engagement, such as work-integrated learning opportunities, industry projects into your topics, and industry speakers into the class. You will also have the opportunity to participate in paid internships. You'll be guided by expert alumni mentors along the way too, who will offer personalized one-to-one support to you along your MBA journey. Our mentors come from fields including finance and banking, to cybersecurity, resources and energy, local councils, and even international businesses. Many have decades of experience, while others are early career alumni who are keenly aware of the challenges facing current students. From 2024, Flinders has a brand new campus in Adelaide CBD, where you have the opportunity to connect with world-class businesses and enjoy collaborative, state-of-the-art learning areas. So there are lots of reasons to choose Flinders University MBA Future Business, and we look forward to welcoming you on campus or online very soon.